Virgo, hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. This is for the full moon in Capricorn energy reading. Yeah, Capricorn is your fellow earth sign, Virgo, and we have we have an eclipse on the 5th of July, and yeah, that is in Capricorn. So we have to be ready. And thank you so much, guys, for your liking, subscribing, and sharing. Thank you so much for your beautiful comments, your love on my channel. If you guys are new, please subscribe to my channel. It helps me a lot. And I'm wishing you so many blessings, happiness, abundance, prosperity, health, wealth, so many good vibes from me to you guys. So yeah, Virgo, let's start your reading. This is for the full moon in Capricorn, for the Virgo people. Let's see what is coming for the Virgos during this full moon in Capricorn. Yeah, full moon in Capricorn. Okay, let's cut the deck for you guys. This is for the Virgo people. Nine of Wands. Some of you are dealing with a Cancerian because this is their first card. Queen of Swords, Tower, Fool, Moon, Five of Cups, right in the heart of your spread. This is Five of Cups. King of Cups, Knight of Cups, Six of Wands. Wow. Magician. Okay. Eight of Pentacles, which is bottom of the deck, which is hardworking, very focused on work. Virgo, I'm feeling that there is a person who has their guard up and they don't want to put their guard down. They want to carry that baggage of the past. They want to carry that burden. With the Queen of Swords, Tower, and the Fool, I'm feeling that there was a communication with the person you were dealing with, and that communication has blown up you and your person you're dealing with. And after that blow up in the Tower, you will have a new beginning. Yeah, that communication has made that Tower moment, and after that the new chance, the new beginning is for you, Virgo. With the Moon, with the Five of Cups and the King of Cups, I'm feeling that you are a little bit afraid because Moon is fears, illusions, unknown things, secrets. You are fearful, and that's why you are a little bit sad because you don't know the whole situation or the whole truth. Okay, but you are very hopeful that there will be a person for you who they love you a lot. There is a person who is coming for you. I'm feeling that you don't know the whole feelings, that the person loves you a lot, and they are actually are not telling you right now. They are not telling you right now, but they will express their feelings because they love you and they want to get you at any cost. I'm feeling that they are taking help of their friends or like their family members maybe, to extend their offer towards you. Like, they love you a lot, but they are helping, taking help their friends or family to tell you that please go and tell my Virgo that I love him, I love them, and I want to be with them. I want success with them in this connection. And I'm feeling that they're really manifesting you. They are really manifesting you. Yeah, see, they're taking the help of their friend, and they're sending their love letter in their hand to you. And they know, like, the friend is very honest, and I'm feeling that you will accept their offer because after this, success is there for you and for them, for both of you. Success is here. Let's see what is this Nine of Wands for the Virgo. So that past experience will blow up. Wow. We have Star and Knight of Wands. for the Nine of Wands and Eight of Pentacles. Okay, Virgo, yeah, they have high hopes that you will put your guard down for them. They know that you are a very mature person, you are very spiritual, you are very hardworking, and they are very passionate about you. Some of you are dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, maybe an Aquarius, Scorpio, Aries, Cancer, Pisces are also here, Gemini, Virgo, yeah. So yeah, they are very hopeful that you will accept their offer and things will work out between you and them. They are very hopeful that you will let your guard down and things will move towards between you and them, and they want to put in the work. They like that hardworking element in you and that spiritual element in you. They know that you are very mature and very healed person. What is this Tower here for the Virgo? What is this Tower here for the Virgo? Seven of Pentacles, Ace of Wands, Queen of Cups. Yeah. So you were waiting for this opportunity to come into your life because we have Seven of Pentacles here. You have planted the seed and now you were waiting for the fruition. And with this Tower movement will provide you another opportunity in passion so that you can have both passion and love. See, Ace of Wands and the Queen of Cups, passion and love together, because you have waited for this. Now this is the time for fruition. What is this Moon here? What is this Moon here for the Virgo? Ten of Wands, Two of Fire, which is Two of Wands, Nine of Cups. Wow. And Ten of Pentacles under the deck, which is long-term partnership, marriage, commitment. Yeah, this is hidden from you. You think that these are the illusions in your mind because Moon is also illusion. These are the illusions in your mind that whoever is this, they are not telling you that they have feelings for you, and this is becoming a burden for you. You think that I have to do everything, I have to express every time, I have to do all the work. This is your mindset, this is your illusion. But you have to put these burden down. You have to let go of these illusions and fears and wasteful thinking. Just let it go and move forward, because by moving forward you will get your wish fulfillment. By overcoming this fear. Yes, Virgo, you can do this. You can do this and you will have your wish fulfillment very soon. Wow. What is this Five of Cups here for the Virgo? Right in the heart of their spread. What is the Five of Cups here for the Virgo? Four of Cups, King of Pentacles, Strength. Maybe some of you are dealing with the Leo. We have Ace of Swords, bottom of the deck, which is Truth. I'm feeling that this Leo is very sad because King of Pentacles is here, you are. Okay, and they are sad that you will reject their offer. That's why they are controlling themselves, because they don't want to say no, hear no. They don't want to hear no from you. They want to say, you have to say yes, because the person has so much love for you. They want to hear yes from you. They want yes only and they don't want no. They are really extending their offer, but they think that you will reject them, and that makes them sad. That's make them sad. That's why they're feeling sad. What is this Knight of Cups for the Virgo? See, Ten of Cups, beautiful. Five of Pentacles, Hierophant. They are feeling left out in the cold uh, between you. No, they are feeling left out in the cold because you are not with them. They want to be with you in this happy home life, in this happy marriage. They have commitment in their mind. Come on, see it. Why are you ignoring it? They are feeling alone by you. That's why they are extending their offer with the help of their friend. You're very busy in making yourself stable. That is okay. Have stability. Stability is also abundance. Money is abundance. But see the opportunity surrounding you, in front of you. Be strong. Accept it. What is this magician here for the Virgo? What is this magician here for the Virgo? Okay, we have 4 of Pentacles and 8 of Cups. 5 of Swords. Yeah, Virgo, this is your mindset. You think you are manifesting this negativity. Yeah, because you are continuously thinking about this. You are holding back because you think that if you will hold back, you will be on the upper side. And that's why you are walking away. You are not putting your emotions into the situation. You are holding back. You are not telling the truth. You are not contributing in this connection. And you are continuously in your head, and you want to win your ego. You want to be the winner in your ego. So good things are in your way. You are manifesting these negative things for you by thinking like this. Don't manifest negativity. Please don't manifest negativity. This is for some of you. Your person realizes that you are their one. They are very hopeful that you will accept their offer, and this is also your wish fulfillment. They are building up their courage to come forward to you, but you are continuously resisting them. They are seeing a very beautiful, very long-term partnership commitment, and they want to take a chance with you. Give them a chance. Okay, Virgo? So this is I have for you, Virgo. I hope this will resonate with you. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Also, you can share it with your friends and family if you find it helpful, and you can give me your suggestions in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, bye.